Hello everyone. As you may know, Goji Center has made an announcement on YouTube, post and said, the Great Hybrid Warfare Edition. Beginning on February 2025, Goji Center will open a submission page where the community will be given an opportunity to present a hybrid to the world. The task is simple. Try to create the best hybrid amongst many and earn a chance to step into the arena against the pseudonymized Indom 2.0. The task is simple. Try to create the best hybrid amongst many and earn a chance to step into the arena against the pseudonymized Indom 2.0. For the sake of fairness and to avoid a ludicrous, overpowered creation from entering the competition, there are a few rules to follow. On July of 2024, Goji Center introduced a new hybrid, nicknamed Indominus 2.0, whose creation was to showcase a much more deadly hybrid capable of causing a localized extinction event. Despite seeking no quarrel with other creators, Indom 2.0 quickly became a target. Since then, other YT channels such as Goji Guy, Dangerville, and others have made attempts to create hybrids that aim to be more powerful than Indom 2.0, or wiping out their entire species. While the final outcome and response to some of the challenges remains to seen, Goji Center will now present an opportunity and open the arena to the public. Rule number 1. To build this hybrid, you must use only extant and extinct animals. No fictitious creatures are allowed to contribute to your hybrid's genome. No white spike, no arc-giga, no skullcrawler. JP animals are acceptable, but be careful when using these faulty engineered dinosaurs. Rule number 2. A single trace of kaiju DNA will send your hybrid directly to the Hall of Shame. Rule number 3. No human DNA allowed. Rule number 4. While your hybrid can be adapted to other terrains such as water, the hybrid must be primarily terrestrial. Rule number 5. Gene modifications, such as adding the ability to mature quickly, must be present in at least one genetic contributor, e.g., the two Indom 2.0's rapid growth possible thanks to cuttlefish DNA, Indom's 2.0's shortened hind legs possible due to African dwarf croc influence, etc. Rule number 6. Every body part or weapon that the hybrid is equipped with must be present in at least one of the genetic contributors. No surgically implanted horns or weapons. Rule number 7. The only form of custom gene editing allowed will be for cosmetic purposes, skin or eye color. Tips. While you may be tempted to make a large hybrid, remember to take note of body adaptations that allow an animal to reach said size. Remember, bigger doesn't always mean better. Congruency. A highly overlooked quality. In this case, it refers to a situation where two or more figures, or in this case animals, in a unit have many things in common. Keep this in mind, as this could make or break your hybrid. What you will submit. 1 side view artwork of your hybrid. Draw this to the best of your ability. Commissions are also accepted. That said, remember that this is not an art contest. A list of all the animals that make up your hybrid's genome, including a description of why this animal is present and what it contributes to the hybrid. A short paragraph describing what makes this hybrid unique amongst the rest. The contest after the submission period, still TBD. All hybrids will be reviewed internally by Goji Center's research team and evaluated by the following criteria. Viability. Can this animal actually exist? A. Without being compromised by its own anatomy. Combatability. Does this animal have enough to defeat its competitor or perhaps too much? Congruency. Are the animals present in the genome somewhat similar or all too different? The top 16 hybrids will be randomly placed in a knockout round bracket, from which Goji Center's analysts will select the final contender. Assuming the creation of such hybrids was possible and all genetic hurdles bypassed. Although having animals from different animal classes is acceptable, too many different classes may cause incongruency.